The Land Rover Defender has been a huge success for the British automaker, so it's no surprise that several tuners have stepped in with kits and accessories for the iconic model. Arctic Trucks, known for its off-road conversions, gave the Defender the AT35 treatment, enhancing its capabilities in harsh environments. Hello everyone, welcome. This is Real Channel Automotive, a place to help you understand the world of automotive mobility. Please subscribe our channel to receive future updates. The massive 35-inch pneumatic tires wrapped around 20-inch forged alloy wheels are the highlight of the Defender AT35. The new shoes are paired with a suspension lift kit that is compatible with both adaptive air suspension and regular springs. The Arctic Trucks Defender, predictably, sits much higher than the standard Land Rover Defender. The ground clearance has been increased to 14.1 inches with the air springs set to the highest setting, up from 11.4 inches on the stock Defender. Similarly, the lifted spring suspension provides 10.6 inch of ground clearance versus the stock 9 inches. The tuner added its signature Fender Extensions to cover the wider tracks. In the example shown, the fenders are painted black to match the lower portion of the bumpers and bodywork. Mudguards, Arctic Trucks graphics, a worn winch, and an electric tow bar are included. Because the SUV will most likely be covered in snow and mud, the tuner applied an anti-corrosion coating to the seams. The speedometer has been recalibrated to match the larger diameter wheels, but there have been no changes to the engine compartment. Thus, the Defender P400's mild hybrid 3-liter petrol engine produces 395 horsepower and 550 Newton-meter of torque. The standard 8-speed automatic transmission sends power to all four wheels. The Land Rover Defender AT35 was introduced by Arctic Trucks' Russian arm, with photos and video footage of it roaming the snowy mountains. We don't know how much the modifications cost, but the pictured Defender P400 is currently available to order from the official website for an undisclosed price. Thank you for watching. To receive future updates, please subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next video.